Hello, my name is Jerónimo Villarroya, and now I'm going to talk about the mass media and how it affects the ways we understand the world. First, communication. Communication is sharing a message or idea with other people, but this message is not 100% neutral. Someone creates them, and this someone chooses the words and what to show and what to hide according to their ideology. This idea comes from the critical theory that comes from students in the Frankfurt School. They say this message, this mass media works like a cultural factory. They produce a message, or a type of content, and they make people stop questioning some things. Cultural study also says that the person receiving the message, it not only receives a message, they interpret them and they spread them. It's according to what they think. This matters because mass media, TV groups, radio have a huge influence today. They are not innocent. They choose what topics are more important than others, and what emotion do you need to feel, and what stories they want to show. Sometimes this leads to a manipulation or disinformation. This happens because mass media change the facts or hide information or spread things that are not real. Here, the mass media groups are the mass media map is very important because it shows what companies have each thing. If just a few companies have a lot of radios, newspapers, or TV shows, it's called a concentration or a monopoly. This is very bad because they not give us the possibility of seeing another point of view. And they don't give us plurality. And this plurality, it's very good for democracy and to hear what other people have to say. Another thing of the mass media is the agenda setting. This agenda setting not tell us exactly what to think, but in what moment to think something, and what to see in each moment. All these contents comes with the ideology and the hegemony. Ideology is the set of ideas that are normal, and hegemony is when powerful groups make ideas look like common sense. Finally, to analyze mass media, it has a different key concept. For example, denotation. Denotation is what the message literally means. Then, in the other hand, we have connotation. Connotation is what is suggest this message, what is like the backwards of this message. Then you have verisimilitude, that it means something is what real looks something even if it's not actually true. And then the reading contract, that the reading contract is what role the audience is supposed to take when, for example, in the singers have a reading contract with their audience, not for example, we saw in class Was and Duki have different reading contracts for each audience. So this in conclusion, this is how mass media works and how it affects the way we understand the world.